Achieving large-scale automated and dust-free feeding of granular materials, ONGOAL small bag unpacking machine replace traditional manual operations, bringing a fully automatic and efficient discharging solution. Palletized materials are transferred to the roller conveyor. The system can automatically detect and lift. Bag wrapping uses a pneumatic 4-bar linkage mechanism and adapts to various types of packing bags, achieving automatic and stable grabbing. Break back from the bottom, ensuring a 99.99% emptying rate, reducing material waste and the cost of raw materials. Empty bags are automatically recovered through an axis-less spiral with no jamming. A simple graphical interface is easy to operate. From loading to stacking of empty pallets. Bag recovery, the process is continuous and automated. Equipment can be customized for production capacity, material adaptation, interface, and functional features, maximizing production capacity and profitability. Suitable for plastics, chemical, and polymer materials. Integrated with production line design and planning, ONGOAL provides you with the highest quality automatic solution.